If you're looking for a bike lock that delivers real security without the bulk, the SIGTUNA Folding Bike Lock is an excellent choice. This lock is made from hardened 8mm steel, giving you the strength and durability you need to keep your scooter or bike protected anywhere you go. I really like how it folds down compactly and mounts easily to the scooter and also bike. No rattling, no hassle. The locking mechanism feels solid, and the anti-scratch coating is a thoughtful touch to keep your bikes, scooters, frames looking new. Overall, it's sturdy, reliable, and super convenient. We have tried so many bike locks and scooter locks before, and all of them kind of let us down. So this one is super durable. It will not be easily cut. It will not be easily burned. So you know your bike is secured when you're using this bike lock. A must-have for cyclists or scooter riders who want serious protection and easy portability.